Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to block specific number on the following device. So there are two options to choose from. Let me show you the first one. So let's open the dialer and here let's simply choose three dots icon and click on the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, so click on that. And as you can see, now we have no blocked numbers. We can of course activate the unknown, so your device will block calls from unidentified callers, or you can simply add a phone number. So let's do that. Let's type something and click on block. And as you can see, from now on your device will block all incoming calls and text messages from that number. If you want to unblock this number, simply click on this X button and click on unblock. And that's all. It's no longer on the blocked numbers list. And there is another option to block a number. If you've got it saved in your contacts, then simply find it. It can be, for example, Maya. Then let's choose on the three dots icon again and click on block numbers. As you can see, now you can block the number. I don't want to report it as a spam, and simply click on block. And as you can see by this icon, now this number is blocked and you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. If you want to unblock it, simply do the same, so open the settings, then click on unblock numbers, then click on unblock, and that's all. This is how you unblock the number. So if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.